How to fix videos not playing on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. You can customize few settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of screen time. Now head towards the option of content and privacy restrictions. Disable for this option of content and privacy restrictions. Then head back. Go to the main page of settings. Now open this option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network and give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, open this option Software Update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back, scroll down, navigate to the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Lastly, what you can do is first restart your device. For that, press and quick release the volume up button, press and quick release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this way you can easily fix video not playing on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.